Hey everybody and welcome to my channel Stuff Survival. My name is Oren and today I'm making a review about the Victorinox Swiss Army Executive Multitool. So, first I'm going to tell you the story of how I got it. So, when my father was a teenager, about my age, he got it. He doesn't remember how he got it, but I remember he got it about on my age. So, 2 years ago, about 2 years ago, he gave it to me, and the scissors were broken, and there wasn't any cases, and the toothpick and the tweezers were gone. The knife was ruined, and everything was almost broken. So I put it in my closet and leave it there. And about 3 months ago, I decided to send it to repair because I remembered that it got a life warranty. So I sent it, and it got back 4 days ago. And I was really happy to see that they didn't only fix the scissors and the knife, they give me a new one, because I don't know why, but they gave me a new one and I'm really happy about it. It's red color and everything is fine with it. So this is the story, and now let's continue with the review. So let's start. First we got the keyring, like all the Victorinox. Next we got the nail file. It can use as a wood file, and it's really good one, I can tell you, for a lot of uses. And this is and this can use as Phillips too. Next we got the scissors. So like I mentioned in past videos about Victorinox reviews, they put the best scissors you can ever find on a multi-tool. You can see how easy it is, and they are so sharp that you can see I can cut it like a knife. So this is the scissors. Next we got the tweezers. Normal tweezers like all the Victorinox. Next we got the toothpick. We got a small and large blade, really sharp. I will demonstrate. I am barely putting effort. Oops. Okay, you can see how sharp it is, and it's really sharp. Not the best demonstration, but okay. So except from what happened right now, sorry for that, they are really sharp, like razor sharp. And the last but not least item is the orange pillar. I think that the orange pillar can use as a normal screwdriver, and file can use as Phillips, but let's stay with the orange pillar for now. So I got here an orange. It's not ready yet from my garden, but it's not ready yet. It isn't the season. So for my knowledge, I understand that you need to put your finger in this groove and stack this in the orange, and just let the blade move on the orange. Okay, it's really nice for now. Almost cut my hands, not worried. And the last one, it's really sharp. It's really easy to cut the orange right now, like super sharp. And then you go to the knife, and let's open the knife, and then you cut this. I will make okay, and this is it, and then you just peel the orange. Wow. So wow, okay, so you can see that the blade didn't go all the way through, and it didn't like scratch the tasty layer of the orange. You can see it really like 0.1 millimeters of going into the orange, but it's really easy to peel the orange with this knife. Okay, so yeah, you can see how easy is this. Sorry. Okay, so remember, it's not ready yet. So this is it, the Victorinox Executive. Really good knife, multi-tool. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Have a good day and goodbye.